Crypto trading is not a game. It's not a side hustle, and it's definitely not easy money. For beginners, crypto trading ends in one of two places: financial death or real success. There's basically no middle ground. If that offends you, good. You're exactly who needs to hear this. Let's set the frame. Let me say this clearly before we go any further. Most beginners who trade crypto lose money, not because they're stupid, not because crypto is a scam. They lose because they walk into a zero mercy environment with no strategy, no discipline, no risk control, and completely fake expectation. Crypto doesn't care about your hopes, the market doesn't care about your rent, and liquidity sure doesn't care about your emotions. This is death or success, and most people choose death without realizing it. Why there is no in between? People love to pretend there's a safe middle ground. I'll just trade a little. I'll learn as I go. I'll risk what I can afford. That mindset is exactly why they get wiped. Here's the truth. If you trade without an edge, you are donating money. If you trade emotionally, you are exit liquidity. If you trade randomly, you are guaranteed to bleed out slowly. There is basically no kind of profitable. There is basically no almost consistent. There is basically no I'm learning without losing. In trading, small losses compound into death just as fast as big mistakes do. 2. The beginner's death trap. Let's walk through how beginners actually die in crypto. Step 1. They discover crypto during hype. A bull run, a meme coin, a viral TikTok. Step 2. They think intelligence matters more than discipline. They overtrade, they revenge trade, they move stop losses, and they remove stop losses. Step 3. They chase pumps, buy green candles, sell red candles, repeat until the account looks like some crime scene. Step 4. They blame everything except themselves. Whales, exchanges, market manipulation, bad luck. No, they are just untrained in a high-speed financial gunfight. The market didn't kill them. They walked in naked. 3. Why crypto is worse than other markets. Crypto is not stocks. Crypto is not real estate. Crypto is not forgiving. Crypto trades 24/7, which means no cooldowns, no emotional reset, no forced discipline. Leverage is shoved in your face, volatility is extreme, and misinformation is everywhere. In crypto, beginners don't lose slowly. They lose fast and violently. One bad trade with leverage can erase months of work. One emotional decision can nuke an account. That's why crypto accelerates both success and death. 4. The success path. What actually works? Now let's talk about the other side, success. And no, this isn't buy my course nonsense. Successful crypto traders all share the same traits. They risk small, they trade less, they wait longer, they follow rules, not feelings. They don't chase, they don't predict, they react. They understand one brutal truth. Survival comes before profit. If you can't survive, you never get the chance to succeed. 5. Risk management is the line between life and death. Risk management is not boring. It's not optional. It is literally the difference between staying alive and getting erased. Professionals don't ask, how much can I make? They ask, how much can I lose and still be here tomorrow? Most beginners risk 10 to 50% per trade. That's not trading. That's self-destruction with extra steps. Real traders risk 1 to 2%, sometimes less. That's how you actually stay alive long enough for probability to do its work. 6. Why emotions kill beginners. Crypto exposes who you really are. If you're impatient, you overtrade. If you're ego-driven, you refuse to take losses. If you're greedy, you hold too long. If you're fearful, you sell bottoms. Beginners don't fail because of charts. They fail because they never trained their psychology. The market weaponizes your emotions against you. If you don't control them, the market will. 7. The hard truth about talent. Here's another uncomfortable truth. Most people should not trade crypto, not because they're dumb, but because they don't want to journal trades, review losses, sit in boredom, follow rules consistently. They want excitement. Crypto gives them dopamine and then takes their money. Trading rewards boring discipline, not intelligence. 8. How beginners can avoid financial death. If you're a beginner and still watching, here's how you avoid death. 1. Trade spot before leverage. 2. Risk tiny amounts. 3. Journal every time. 4. Expect months of losses. 5. Focus on survival, not profits. If that sounds boring, good. Boring keeps you alive. Crypto doesn't owe you success. It doesn't care about your dreams. It doesn't forgive ignorance. For beginners, this game is simple. Either you respect the market or the market will destroy you. Death or success. If you want entertainment, go play video games. If you want survival, train properly. And if this video pissed you off, that's probably a sign you needed it. Subscribe.